Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will write an emotional letter with heartfelt feelings to my sister. This letter has some beautiful words and special message for your sibling. You can write this letter for your sisters on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan or their birthdays or any other special occasion. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Dear sister, Happy Raksha Bandhan. Here I have written Happy Raksha Bandhan, but you can write Happy Birthday or anything you wish to. I hope this letter finds you in the best of your health and happiness. Remember when we were little, how we would fight over toys, but then make up in no time. Those days seem so far away now, but the bond we share has only grown stronger. I remember how you used to tie the Rakhi on my wrist every year with so much love and care. Each thread of the Rakhi symbolizes the bond we share, the promises we made. To always look out for each other. Even though we are not together this year, the distance does not diminish the love and respect I have for you. You have always been there for me through good times and bad. Your smile brightens my day, and your kind words lift me up when I'm feeling down. I am so lucky to have a sister like you. I promise to always be there for you. No matter how far apart we may be, you will always be close to my heart. I will protect you, support you, and cheer for you in everything you do. Yours, loving brother. In the next line, write your name.